Hello, everybody. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. I finally got my product review canvas in today from feelookart. And yes, they did change everything. It says feelookart, when tiny sparks become masterpieces. That's cute. Everything you need inside, details on back. This is pretty good. Every diamond you place is a small step towards something extraordinary. I don't know about that, but I know I like the canvas I picked, so damn, that is thick. Oh my God. It's heavy, heavy duty. I actually kind of like that. Sonny, you should have warned me. And you should feel this box. It's in box. I love it. We could use in other crafts in case you don't throw away your boxes. You'd probably use it on clay. I don't know. I think this. Okay, we'll just take it out. It's being a pain in the butt for me. Look at that. It's all blue. That's pretty cool because my favorite color is blue. Okay, step-by-step instructions. I'm wearing the right glasses. Probably not. Oh yeah, there we go. Personal creation record. That's pretty cool. Start date, completion date. That's new because I don't remember this. My signature. Okay, let's see what the brings us. This goes with your little baggies if you collect. You use your baggies. Baggies. I don't know. I haven't tried those ones yet. And more baggies. Two trays. Some really neat tweezers. Ooh, yeah, they really are sharp. Ooh, I like this color. 4 pads of wax. And a stylus. Oh, it feels kind of neat. Can you open it? Well, apparently that is for really wish I didn't have to open this, but ah, that looks like a full compliment, doesn't it? Close enough. So it doesn't have the numbers on it, which they need to work on. It's just pretty short, but it's cute. Goes with the set. And this goes on top. And this piece, you just roll right across so you can pick it up and then pick up your diamonds. Okay, that's it for that section. Now it's time to show off the gems. Um, that's pretty cool. All of those go in hands. If it has to do with laying down your gems, and it has to do with your pens, I'll go in here. So just know that next time I do one of these, I'm not going to be opening up the kit. I'll just show off this kit because it's going to be the same thing. There's nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with keeping up. I don't know what I'm going to do with all the extras yet. I still have like 100 extra kits from all my other diamond paintings. Okay, let's get this done. This is supposed to go for the Halloween month, but they were late getting things done. And the person that normally contacts me, she was also sick, or he was also sick. So there'll be information below this that you can try to keep up with because you got like, let me see. Hold on a sec. Blah, blah, blah. One moment. Well, the campaign is supposed to be from the 1st of October to the 31st. Buy 2 items, get 10% off. Buy 3 items, get 20% off. Accessories not included. You also get to spin a wheel for rewards. And you get several choices for the Halloween thing. At least I did. Let's see. That's about it. I'm like so out of sorts today. But all the information you need will be below. So let's check out what I got. Nice and heavy duty. I love it. Oh, no, you know, I'm not going to show the canvas just yet. But I am going to show the drills. Where am I? There you go. I don't know if I'll have enough time to even start this because there's only 10 days left on this. And they just got this yesterday. So I hope they're not upset with me too much if I don't actually start it. Yeah. Okay. Here's the yeah, today's been a bad day for me, so I'm still trying to catch up to myself. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Okay. I have to check something. 40 colors. 40 colors on this. Okay. What would you? Has anybody seen this? I hope everybody's seen this correctly. Oh, much blue in here. Now, I'm not going to show the numbers because you can't see the colors from the numbers. Um, Okay, so put some kind of dark plum, some cream, yellows. I know, but yeah, that's 310. More blue, browns, orange, orange. And then when you see the canvas, you'll understand why the colors are what they are. Got an Apple 666. Yes, it is. Apple 666. Done with that. Okay. And it is called Candy House. Huh? Come on. Yeah. Supposed to be a witch in the background. A cute little cauldron with spiders and eyes. And why this is not working. Okay. My camera has mirrored on me again, so just pretend everything's reversed. Okay. The drills are great. Let's see what the drill field looks like. I don't know if you can see that. I can see just about everything on here. And nothing's in order. It is DMC coded. But because of the color scheme, I guess you can't do it in order. Mm. So it's 40 by 50. 40 by 50 centimeters, 15.7 inches by 19.7 inches. Fabric size is 48 by 58 centimeters, 18.9 by 22.8 inches. I'm sure you guys know all the stuff that need to go with it. Canvas isn't as soft as it used to be. Or maybe that's me. It's been a while. I don't know. That's definitely working well. The stick is awesome. Okay. I know I did a bad thing today. Ugh, I can't keep up with myself. So I'll just let you guys go. Let me know how I did. Like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna be doing this at all because October's almost over. But oh yeah, it's been a long day. I'll just let you guys go. Don't forget, there's information about this, all that kind of stuff, discounts and all. Ugh. Thank you once again, feelookart, for letting me do this. I'm sorry I messed it up today. It's just been one hell of a week. Okay, guys, have a great day. Namaste.